guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be sharing with you my skincare routine. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So, this is gonna be a daytime and nighttime skincare routine dahil guys, mind you, konti lang yung ginagamit kong product sa face ko. As in, promise, konti lang talaga siya. And I'm really loving the condition of my face right now. It's very clear. It's so smooth. Alam mo yun, kahit ito na lang talaga, magstay lang, maging consistent na ganito yung mukha ko, sobrang thankful na ako. Currently, I have no foundation on, just concealer, powder, blush, konting bronzer, konti sa eyes, and my brows. Sobrang konti lang talaga yung makeup ko ngayon. Pero as you can see, wala talaga yan guys ha, walang foundation to. As in, yung powder, more on sa T-zone ko lang nilagay, and concealer under eyes lang. See, sobrang gusto ko yung skin ko ngayon. So, okay, let's begin with the daytime skincare routine. Every morning, after I take a bath, ito yung ginagamit ko sa morning. So, this is the Myra Vita Smooth Hydrating Facial Moisturizer, which has Pro Moisture Formula Hydratants and Smoothens. So, ayan. So, ayan siya guys. Ito yung itsura niya. I know some of you might be scared kasi mostly yung mga products natin sa market like this one, parang hindi siya effective sa skin natin. Kung napapansin nyo yun. Kasi ako minsan, before, ganun ako. Takot ako mag-try sa mga nasa convenience store, sa mga supermarkets kasi feeling ko hindi niya kinikater yung gustong condition ng skin ko. Ngayon, tinry ko to kasi naka-indicate dito that this is light and non-greasy. And natutunan ko, for oily skin people like me, you should try or you should use yung mga ganitong formula na non-greasy. Kasi the more the greasy, the more the oilier yung feeling, the more the heavier yung feeling niya. So this is very perfect for oily skin like me kasi ang bilis niya matuyo. At the same time, okay na okay siya sa skin ko. And hindi niya ino-oil up yung skin ko buong day. As in, moisturizer lang talaga siya. So, yan. So, after using yung moisturizer, I go on, continue with my makeup routine, just the primer, foundation kung meron, concealer kung wala. Ganun lang yung ginagawa ko, as in buong day. Tapos, after that, after my makeup, some of you might be scared also on using mist, but ako, I really use a mist after. Minsan kung di ako nagme-makeup, after ko mag-moisturizer, magme-mist ako just to refreshen my face. And for the mist, I always use this Luxe Organix Anti-Pollution Anti-Sebum Skin Mattifying Mist with tea tree extract. Perfect for all skin types. So this is the green variant. I know this is a bit hyped up ng mga YouTuber in this past few days, but I tell you guys, I swear by this product. Sobrang bango pa nitong green one. This is the mattifying one, and yeah, perfect sa skin type ko kasi oily ako. But it doesn't really mattify that much of your makeup, pero nakaka-refresh siya ng skin, and mas matagal lang yung longevity ng makeup. Mas matagal na medyo matte yung makeup mo kung gumamit ka ng matte products, mas pinapatagal niya mag-oil up yung skin mo. So, yun yung kanyang purpose sa akin. And this one is very cheap, and you can buy it sa Watsons lang. I know sila Miss Anna Kai, Ann Clothes, ginagamit nila to guys. Ang ganda naman kasi. And yung mist niya, as in yung mist niya, sobrang fine, sobrang ganda at sobrang bango niya talaga. Kaya gustong gusto ko tong product nito. So again, this is the Luxe Organix na Skin Mattifying Mist. This one is paraben-free and alcohol-free, kaya hindi siya harmful sa iyong skin. Let's continue sa nighttime skincare routine ko. So, for girls, working girls like me, I know we often or always or every day, we always wear makeup. So, ako, I see to it that I clean my face, bago ako matulog. So, pag-uwi ko, agad-agad nagtatanggal ako ng makeup. Syempre, the pollution, yung tagal ng makeup sa mukha mo, lalo na for people like me na more than 10 hours ang working time, sobrang gustong-gusto mo nang tanggalin yung makeup sa mukha mo. So for removing my makeup, I use this Purederm Skin Solutions Collagen Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. Bakit? Anong difference niya sa mga regular, tawag dito? Sorry. Sa mga regular na baby wipes, like this one, yung Baby Flow, meron ako nito. So this one, I use for hygienic purposes, but this one, I use this to really remove my makeup alone. As in, ito rin ginagamit ko sa mukha ko, guys. Hindi siya parang regular na ganito, na sobrang tigas niya pag winipe mo yung mukha mo. Iba kasi iba yung texture niya. Para towelettes kasi siya, so parang feel ko yun yung nagpapaiba sa kanya. Smooth yung texture nung towels na nandito sa loob. Hindi siya yung regular talaga na wet wipes lang. Pag ginlide mo siya sa face mo, ang lambot-lambot niya sa skin. Ang dali-dali niyang gamitin. Sobrang natatanggal niya yung makeup ko. I mean, isang towelette lang yung ginagamit ko per day. Hindi na ako nakakadalawa, nakakatatlo. Like the usual na baby wipes or yung ibang wipes na ginagamit natin. Kasi minsan, once you use it, you feel like meron pa, kaya gagamit at gagamit ka pa. Ako hindi. Ginagamit ko na siya, isang gamitan lang. As in, half of it, I use it for the half of my face. The half of it, I use it for the half of my face. Tapos, i-fold ko siya. Tapos, another half for the half. Another half for the half. Tapos, i-fold ko ulit siya. Yung mga palit siya na palit hanggang sa neck. Nililinis ko siya using this one. So, it smells good as well. And talagang nare-remove niya yung makeup ko. So, hindi din siya nag-cause ng acne or ng breakout sa face ko. So, I know na okay tong remover na to. After removing my makeup, I proceed with cleaning my face. So, for cleaning, this is the only product that I use para linisin ang mukha ko. And this is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. Thorough cleaning with lasting and oil control for deepest feeling clean. So, ito, hindi din siya greasy sa face. As in, it leaves your face super smooth after you wash it. And sobrang mabulak siya, guys. Hindi din siya yung tipong linis na parang squeaky clean. Pag nilinis mo yung face mo, siya yung tipong iniiwan niya sobrang lambot ng balat ng mukha mo. And at the same time, hindi siya greasy sa face. So parang feel nung malinis talaga yung face mo after using this cleanser. So yan. Again, this is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Cleanser. So there. Ito yung last product na ginagamit ko for moisturizing my face after cleaning it sa gabi. I use the Nature's Republic Aloe Vera 92% Soothing Gel. So ito lang, feel ko ito talaga yung nagpapaganda ng skin ko. Ang ginagawa ko, kukuha lang ako ng product kasi spread ko sa face ko. The more na mas marami, the more na mas smooth yung skin ko the next day. So after placing it sa buong face ko, minsan tumatapat ako sa fan or minsan sa aircon. Tapos ang lamig niya sa feeling. Sobrang sarap ng feeling. Tapos, hintayin niya lang siya matuyo. Medyo matagal lang siya matuyo, pero natutuyo naman siya. So, hindi siya nagte-transfer sa sheets niyo sa bed. So, wala namang ganun. Basta hintayin niyo lang siyang matuyo. So, after niya matuyo, okay na. Ang bango-bango pa niya sa mukha. So, yun lang. Iiwan ko siya overnight. And when I wake up in the morning, when I take a bath, nawa-wash off na siya. Guys, pag na-wash off siya, sobrang lambot ng mukha mo. As in, parang baby. Parang skin ng baby yung mukha mo. Kaya, sobrang ganda nitong product na to. Every day ko siyang ginagamit. I also swear that by this product, nakailang tubs na ako nito. And it never fails. As in, siya yung tipong product na hindi magsasawa yung skin mo. Unlike other products na you really need to change and change para lang hindi mahiyang si skin. But this one, hindi siya ganun. As in, very consistent ang product na to. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung skincare products na ginagamit ko sa face ko. If you guys have questions or whatnot, mind you guys, hindi ako nagpapaderma. Hindi ko pa pinapahawak yung skin ko. And gladly, may nakita akong mga products na talagang I swear by these products for the past months na. Hindi ako nagpalit na ever since. So, yeah, I really like my skin right now. So there, if you guys have any questions, please do comment down below or follow me on my social media accounts. It's gonna be placed here. So yan, para makatulong naman ako sa inyo. So yun lang guys, hope you enjoyed this video and hope it helps. So disclaimer, it doesn't help. I mean, iba-iba tayo ng skin types, but I hope pag na-try nyo, makatulong din siya sa inyo. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Mwah!